Don't ever risk money that you can't afford to lose. I got a lot of questions from traders asking me about how much money they need to start trading. First of all, you have to take trading as a business. You can make money in this business and you can lose it as well. The amount of money that you need to start trading depends on the amount of money that you can afford to lose. Don't ever borrow money or risk big amounts of money that you can't afford to lose. Because trading is all about emotions. If you trade and you are afraid to lose your trading account, you will fail in this business because you will be controlled by your emotion, and this will affect your trading decisions. You will not be able to follow your trading strategy, and you will certainly fail. The best thing to do is to start small. Try to get as much experience as you can and build slowly your trading account. This is how successful traders become successful.